Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create a Meta Business Manager account in 2025 step by step, whether you are running Facebook or Instagram ads or managing multiple assets. This is your starting point. Let's get started. Meta Business Manager is a free tool by Facebook. Now, Meta that lets you organize and manage your Facebook pages, add accounts, Instagram accounts, and team members in one place. It's perfect for business owners, marketers, or agencies. To get started, open your browser and go to business.facebook.com. Make sure you are logged into your personal Facebook account. This will be the admin of your new business manager. Click on the Create Account button in the top. Top right corner from Settings, then Add Accounts. Enter your business name and enter your full name as the admin. Make sure this is one of you or one is checked regularly and click Create. Now Meta will send a confirmation email. Go to your inbox, click the verification link, and boom, your business manager account is now live. So once inside your dashboard, you will want to connect your existing assets. Here's what you can add. Facebook pages. Go to settings, then pages. Then I have already added a page for new Facebook page. Click add, create a new Facebook page, or request shared access to a Facebook page, or add existing Facebook page. And add accounts. Under add accounts, click add account, or add an existing add accounts. If you work with a team, you can also add people and assign roles like admin, advertiser, or analyst under the user section. Don't forget to fill out your business information like address, website, and time zone. Also, if you are planning to run ads, go to payment settings. And add your credit card or debit card here. Click on payment methods, then add business payment method. then next, and select from here, then click next. Enter your name, card holder name, card number, and expiry date and CVV code, then click save. So that's how you create a Meta Business Manager account in 2025. You are new, you are new, you are now ready to manage Facebook and Instagram assets professionally. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on running your first campaign. Thanks for watching.